Step inside the world of the Hudson Valley's most luxurious old money mansions, where history, opulence, and elegance meet. Here, nestled among the rolling hills and verdant forests, lie some of the most magnificent old money mansions in the country. Let's explore. On number 4 we have Lindhurst. A historic home called Lindhurst is located near Tarrytown, New York, in the USA. For businessman George Merritt, it was constructed in 1838 by architect Alexander Jackson Davis. Subsequent notable owners included railroad tycoon Gould and New York City Mayor William Polding. The estate has 24 rooms totaling 67,000 square feet, including a large entryway, a library, a parlor, a dining room, and a number of bedrooms. The property also has a number of outbuildings, such as a greenhouse and a carriage house. Lindhurst is situated on a 67-acre estate that includes formal gardens, woodlands, and a riverfront promenade. Many movies and television programs have utilized the house and its surroundings as a background, including the Sleepy Hollow television series and the movie House of Dark Shadows. The National Trust for Historic Preservation bought the estate in the 1960s and allowed visitors to take tours of it. To preserve the mansion's historic elements, such as the intricate plasterwork, stained glass windows, and hand-carved woodwork, the Trust launched a significant repair project. Lindhurst is now accessible to the public for tours, gatherings, and educational activities. Up next on number 3 we have Kykuit. Kykuit is a historic mansion located in Pocantico Hills, New York, USA. John Rockefeller, the founder of Standard Oil and one of the richest people in American history, constructed it in 1913. The 40-room home has a variety of architectural styles, including colonial revival, Beaux Arts, and classical revival. It has sizable gardens, sculptures, and a collection of modern artwork. The estate is located on a 250-acre estate with carriage roads, meadows, and forests. The property has various formal gardens, including a Japanese garden and a rose garden, and offers breathtaking views of the Hudson River. After John Rockefeller's passing, the land was given to his son, John Rockefeller, and then to his grandson, Nelson Rockefeller, who later served as Vice President of the United States and Governor of New York. The property, which is currently accessible to the public for tours and activities, was given to the National Trust for Historic Preservation in 1979. Kykuit is now regarded as one of the best buildings that exemplify American Beaux Arts style. Moving forward, on number 2 we have Claremont. The historic home known as Claremont is located in Germantown, New York. Robert Livingston, a founding father of the United States and a signer of the Declaration of Independence, constructed it in the middle of the 18th century. The 19-room home is built in a variety of architectural styles, such as Georgian, Federal, and Greek Revival. It has several outbuildings, a greenhouse, and sizable gardens. The mansion is located on a 500-acre estate with farms, meadows, and woods. The house has various formal gardens, including a walled garden and a rose garden, as well as breathtaking views of the Hudson River. The property was given to Robert Livingston's heirs after his death, who over time made considerable alterations and improvements to the home and gardens. The land was given to the state of New York as a donation in 1962, and it is currently managed as a state historic site that welcomes visitors for tours and other activities. In the modern day, Claremont is regarded as one of the best representations of early American architecture. Lastly, on number 1 we have Vanderbilt Mansion. The historic Vanderbilt Mansion is a mansion in Hyde Park, New York, in the United States. Frederick Vanderbilt, a well-known industrialist and member of the affluent Vanderbilt family, constructed it in 1895. The 54-room home has a variety of architectural styles, including Italian Renaissance, Beaux Arts, and Classical Revival. It has a number of fountains, sizable gardens, and an assortment of old furniture and artwork. The estate is located on a 211-acre plot of land with formal gardens, meadows, and forests. The property has numerous formal gardens, including an Italian garden, a rose garden, and a tulip garden, as well as breathtaking views of the Hudson River. The land was left to Frederick Vanderbilt's heirs after his death, who later gave it to the National Park Service. As a component of the Vanderbilt Mansion National Historic Site, the Vanderbilt Mansion is now available to the public for tours and activities. One of the best examples of American Beaux Arts architecture today is the Vanderbilt Mansion. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating history and architecture of these magnificent homes, and that you're now inspired to explore this legendary region for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy exploring!